Graduating high school, moment of triumph, but also the gateway to a world of choices. Starting life after school can feel like a whirlwind of uncertainty. The pressure to have it all figured out can be overwhelming. But what if the journey after school was about more than just picking a major or a job? Enter Target Life, not just a gap year, but a bridge to self-discovery, purpose, and newfound confidence. Imagine embarking on adventures that challenge your limits, forming bonds that last a lifetime, and finding your true calling in unexpected places. At Target Life, our process includes daily classes on topics like inner healing, hearing God's voice, character development, potential, and purpose. And that's not all. We have 6 action-packed, life-changing camps. Like High Ropes, where you conquer your fears. Or Survivor, where you discover your inner warrior. And Journey, a 2-week South African travel experience. Together, we're building our future. Not just launching careers, but igniting change. So, if the post-school uncertainty is keeping you up at night, if you're yearning for purpose, or if you're ready to transform, Target Life is here. Embark on this journey with us, and let's redefine the way we step into the world after school. Our experienced leaders are here to take your hand, guiding you to see the best version of yourself, setting you up for success. Together, let's make your leap into the future a voyage of growth, resilience, and fulfillment.